Hey, I'm Rooster Alligator Man. I'm fixing to show you how to make a Bayou stir fry. And we put a little shrimp, a little chicken, a little mushrooms, and some good Bruce Mitchell swamp honey in it. It's gonna be good. Let me show you how to make this. Got some sacks in here and a little bit of pine straw and leaves and stuff. Let me get a fire started in here. I'm having trouble doing it. It's starting to smoke a little bit. We're trying to get the smoke going so we can smoke these bees. What you do when you smoke bees, what happens is they think the woods is on fire, and the smoke makes them hurry up and gorge and eat honey, and the honey calms them down. There you go. Okay, we're gonna have smoke now, y'all. That's what we want. All right, let's go back here and prove the bees. Okay, we're gonna smoke these bees a little bit. I'm gonna knock the top off right here. Once I get this top up like this, I'm gonna squirt a little bit of smoke under here. I hear them, y'all. Can you hear them? I think somebody's home. I'm gonna set this down. All right. Y'all, we got a lot of honey in here. Oh yeah, they're working on it, y'all. Tell you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna break this one up. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna take this top box, I'm gonna move it on this side. Gonna give these a little smoke. Now this is capped honey in here, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. That's all honey in here. But see, in here is where you get your honey. You see how I'm smashing this? It don't get no fresher than this. All right, it's time to cook this stuff up. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squirt a little olive oil on here. Just a little tad. Then I'm gonna put my chicken on here. Ooh, yeah, listen to this, y'all. Ooh. Now, spread it out just a little bit. Ain't through yet, no. We're gonna get some of this good Blackstone Cajun. Then, a little bit of soy sauce. Actually, a lot of soy sauce. Oh, golly, that smells so good. We're gonna get this cooking up. Okay, we got that cooking right here. What we're gonna do next, pour a little more oil on here. Then we're gonna add the mushrooms. Look at all them beautiful mushrooms. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna add a few onions. This Janet don't like a lot of onions. She will tolerate some. Just there. And then you know you got to add more Cajun seasoning on here. On your mushrooms, a little bit on your onions. Now I like to take and squirt a little bit of water on my stuff. What it does, it cooks it down a little better. Steams it. It gets all your juices flowing together. Oh yeah. You better go and mix this chicken up a little bit. Oh yeah. This is something that cooks pretty fast, y'all. Don't take long at all to cook this. This is a dish you could actually feed a lot of people real fast. Okay, we're gonna make a little hole right here, y'all. Put a little more oil, and then guess what we're gonna put? We're gonna put these beautiful Louisiana shrimp right there. And we're gonna put some Blackstone Cajun seasoning on our shrimp. Just a little bit, because I got everything else seasoned pretty good. All right, we're gonna scatter these around a little bit. The shrimp don't take long to cook. If y'all notice, everything else is just about cooked right here. The mushrooms are done. Just kind of mix them together. These shrimp are probably done. Oh yeah, y'all, it's starting to get there. Won't be much longer. This stuff is ready to eat. Let that simmer down a little bit, and it'll be ready to eat. All right, here we go, y'all. We're gonna move everything right here on this side a little bit. Now you wonder why I'm doing that? Scrape all this, and you say, "Oh, golly, we're fixing to mix all this together." But we're gonna cook some eggs. Let me set that right there. Set this here. The next step, see all this stuff? That's good. That's nothing but goodness. Watch this. Now, where's all the goodness going? It's going on the pile to eat. That's where all your seasoning went, right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that all over here, and we're gonna mix it all together. Watch it. You got your chicken, your shrimp, your onions, your mushrooms, all that seasoned. Oh yeah. We're gonna put down a little oil. And we're gonna start breaking some eggs. Once you get these eggs broke on there, you just smash them out a little bit. Let them cook. Does that look good or what? Now we're gonna break them. Let them cook down a little bit like this. Flip them. Let them back out. Mix them up, chop them up real fine. Little bitty eggs, chop them up little bitty. All right, now I'm gonna take this whole thing, mix it all together. You see all that goodness coming over here with us? We're gonna mix our eggs in here. Got it all mixing good. Oh, delicious. Guess y'all know what's next. Kind of put the noodles and the rice in there. Now I like to cook noodles and rice together. And I thought I'd come up with something on my own, but my wife said they already been doing this for years. What they call it, lo mein? Something like that. And that's all you do, just keep mixing this stuff up. All right, now we got to put some sesame seed oil on it. There we go. Just a little bit will do you too. You don't want a whole lot of this stuff. It's good. Now that's gonna cook in with it. We're gonna mix it up. And we're gonna add some soy sauce on here. Oh yeah. You see this mixture here? You're looking at something that will feed 10 or 11 normal people and probably 4 Cajuns. Because y'all know we like to eat. And that's all we're doing now, mixing. And actually I'm gonna cut both of your burners off right now, because this is all cooked. We got one more ingredient. The best ingredient is we save it for last. It's some of Bruce Mitchell's swamp honey, and it's some good stuff. All right, we're gonna get this opened up here, y'all. And watch this. Ooh, just a little bit here, all over the place. It just adds a little sweetness to the shrimp, the chicken, and the rice, and the noodles, and the mushrooms, and it just makes it all taste better. Just a tad sweetness you taste in it. And it mix it all in there. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, it's time to eat some of this stuff. I'm ready to go with it. Look at the pretty shrimp in there. Oh golly, see that big shrimp? That one's mine. Pretty mushrooms. Oh boy, we're time to eat this mess. Give me one of the shrimp out of here. I love my shrimp. The noodles, the rice, the shrimp, the seasonings. Just blend it all together. The mushrooms. Y'all, it just don't get no better than this. It's some good stuff. Hey, if you want a recipe for this Bayou stir-fry chicken and shrimp, go to blackstoneproducts.com and look them up and get you some. It's some good stuff.